Well, hello there guys, YouTubers, anyone else who happens to be around at the moment and watching this particular little video. What I've chosen today is one of the rarer Airfix editions of plastic 1/72 scale figures. I say rarer because I tend not to see this one very often. This was bought some time ago, a good few years ago now, and put aside. Anyway, it's basically the Nato Grand Crew, which judging by the picture looks like it's kind of 1980s Europe, probably RAF Germany. Looks like a Harrier crew there with the RAF police and pilots and the mechanics and everything, and guards. The model kit number for this was that was AD1758 for this particular kit. You can see the artwork there, it's rather nice actually. Typical. I don't think that's digital, I think that's an illustration on there. So there we have it, that's the 1/72 scale, that's the actual size of the figures there. It consists of 48 unpainted pieces there, so we've got the 48 unpainted pieces, and you've basically got 12 variations of figure there. I have actually started painting these, and on the side of the box there's more photography showing which shows the figures illustrated basically. It's just another version of what's on the reverse of the box. There's some side artwork there on both ends of the box. I mean, these little plastic soldier kits, for want of a better word, they're kind of pretty iconic now in sort of popular culture. But anyway, I've started, made some headway. That gives you a size of the scale. There's a pound coin there. It shows how small these figures are. So we have made a start. Put them on blue tack to use as a little handle. Prime them up. And begun painting some of the details on the figures. There's not a lot to go on colour chart wise. I've tried to look online for that era, 1980s, and it's pretty difficult to find anything. So you have to do your research pretty carefully, I think, unless you've got some publication. So again, same sort of thing going on here. I've kept them on the sprue so you can use it as a handle. Yeah, small figures to paint, but good practice for figure painters at this scale. I haven't painted any plastic figures for aeons, decades, so quite looking forward to concluding this painting, getting on with it and painting up a few figures. Should be quite satisfying. Quickly show you a few others before we conclude the video. Looks like there's an RAF police dog or something there. So there's a good variety of figures. The detail on the figures is actually quite good as well for that size. They're really not too bad at all. Quite impressed. I mean, you know, for this, I think for £5 or £6, it's pretty good. There's a mechanic there holding up his spanner, although I'm not sure what you'd actually use a spanner for on a modern jet. But that gives you an idea of what's in the box, really, kind of things are in the box. And well, the next video will be just solely showing the finished results of the painted figures. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.